I've been here all my life. My dad was a merchant in Piedmont. After World War II, he opened up a checkerboard feed store, and I grew up in a checkerboard feed store downtown. It's home. About 25 years ago, I made my living with tractors doing transmission power lines. And I owned a lot of tractors then. Just got interested in older tractors and started collecting one or two, and it just grew. And back then we had a lot of tractor clubs around and shows and things like that, and I was just fortunate enough to put this collection together. That's the way I started. I had a passion for doing it, taking a whole piece of junk and make something new out of it. So a lot of work went into this thing too, a lot of work. I thought about it and prayed about it a long time, and I wanted the money to stay in the community.
Our mission is to serve everyone, regardless of their financial status. The Y is one of the few, if not the only organization that can bring different demographics of the community together, and it becomes really the central hub of the community. The Powdersville Y was built in 2016 and immediately was a huge success with a lot of community support, and people saw that the impact that the Y was having in this area. Through that, we got to know Mr. Wilson. One day, not too long ago, just got a phone call to say, hey, come out and come visit with us.
Felt like at the Y, they do an awesome job here. I wanted the money to stay here and benefit the community. The Y was the best place for them to go because it's here in the community and they serve everybody.
I'll be honest, I didn't really have much of a response. I was just so floored. This is an unbelievable, generous gift.
We were real fortunate to get a call from the Powdersville YMCA that Mr. Wilson had donated his entire tractor collection. It's a really rare occurrence that a tractor collector would donate their entire collection to a cause like this. So it's a special event. You know, Mr. Wilson, he liked tractors, all brands. He liked all eras, from early steel wheel tractors to late rubber tire tractors of all brands. A collection like this doesn't sell very often, no matter where you're at in the United States. Here in the Southeast, you know, an antique tractor auction doesn't happen very often. Really what Mr. Wilson's collection offers, a lot of parade-ready and show-ready tractors. There's very little here that's unrestored. One of the neat and unique things about this auction is everybody likes an antique tractor and everybody wants to add something to your collection. All the proceeds of this auction go to the YMCA.
This is an unbelievable, generous gift that will really have generational impacts because of his generosity and his family's willingness to really bless the community is what he's doing. Is he's saying, I'm taking my resources and I'm going to bless the community and the lives in this community. And that is our role at the Y, is to make sure that that happens.